Welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix copy paste not working in Windows PC. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, first of all you need to open this PC. You can see here local disk C. Double click on this. In this you have to open Windows folder, double click on this. Guys, in this you have to find System32. Guys, you can see here System32, double click on this. In this you have to find, guys, in this you have to find RDP clip. Guys, you can see here RDP clip file. Just right click on this and click on run as administrator. Click on yes and close this window. Guys, after doing these settings, check whether it is fixed or not. If not, then try the second method. Click on start menu, then type here CMD. Just right click on this command prompt and click on run as administrator. Guys, in this you have to copy paste the command what I will provide in my description link. Just select and copy this command and paste here and press enter and close this window and check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, then try the third method. Just right click on start menu. You can see here task manager. Click on task manager. Here you need to find Windows Explorer. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can press W key to find the Windows Explorer. Just right click on Windows Explorer and click on restart. After restarting Windows Explorer, hope your problem will be fixed. Guys, after trying all these three methods, once you have to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix copy paste not working in Windows PC. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.